Stop saying strong smell. This word makes you sound smarter. Pungent. Pronounce it as pungent, like punch, without the ch, then gent. It means having a sharply strong taste or smell, sometimes irritating or acrid. The moment she opened the jar of fermented kimchi, a pungent aroma filled the kitchen, making her eyes water slightly. Instead of saying sharp, say pungent to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word pungent in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.